Hello my dear children, welcome back to our EVS class. We started a new chapter. The chapter that we already began was chapter 5, Anita and the honeybees. Okay, we have learned about Anita and we learned how she started going to school. And today in video 2 we will be discussing about the topic from school to beekeeping. Okay, that means how did Anita started beekeeping and eventually she became a beekeeper. That's what we are going to learn in this video. Okay, so let's begin. So children, the picture that I have shown here is the picture of lychee flowers. Okay, lychee is a tree and this is the fruit of lychee tree. And this is the flower of lychee trees. Okay, and usually the lychee trees will flower during the February season. Okay, so in Anita's village there were a lot of lychee trees. Okay, so you know children, lychee trees attract honeybees. So honeybees like lychee flowers. Lychee flowers attract honeybees. Lychee flowers attract honeybees. Okay, so as there were a lot of lychee trees in Anita's village, she had an idea. She wanted to study beekeeping. Okay, beekeeping means she wanted to learn how she could grow honeybees or how she could keep honeybees so that she can collect honey from the honeybees. Okay, so you know that lychee flowers attract honeybees, and you also know that insects like butterflies and bees will collect nectar from the flowers, isn't it? Nectar. Nectar means it is a sweet juice or sweet liquid in the flowers. Sweet juice or liquid that you see in flowers. Honeybees feed on nectar. They eat nectar. They suck the nectar from the flowers. And what they will do, that nectar they will deposit in the beehive. Beehive is the home of honeybees, isn't it? It's the place where honeybees live. So Anita knew that near her house there were a lot of lychee trees in her village. So she wanted to keep bees. Okay, she wanted to become a beekeeper. So she can't just keep the bees like that. You all know that honeybees will sting you, isn't it? You have to grow them properly. Otherwise it can be dangerous. Only if you grow them properly, they will come to the hive and they will lay eggs and then they will become a colony, isn't it? And then they will start making honey. Okay, so we will learn about the beehive and colonies later on in the chapter. Okay, so only if you grow them according to the particular techniques, you will get honey from them, isn't it? Just as we grow a plant, or when we grow a lot of plants, there should be certain techniques that has to be followed, isn't it? So likewise, if you want to grow honeybees, for growing honeybees also there should be many techniques that has to be followed. So you have to study about it, isn't it? For keeping the bees, you should first study how to keep the honeybees. For that, you should do a beekeeping course. Okay, so Anita joined a beekeeping course run by the government. And you know children, she was the only lady or she was the only girl to take up this course. All the rest of the students who were studying for this course were all boys. Okay, they were all boys. So she was the only girl who studied this beekeeping course. Okay, and eventually she learned about how to grow bees. Okay, and beekeeping, children, there is another name for beekeeping. This beekeeping is also called as apiculture. Okay, apiculture is the same as beekeeping. Okay, so you have to do a beekeeping course or an apiculture course. It is the same. Okay, the meaning is same. For what? To grow the honeybees. Okay, so it is usually during October to December that the honeybees will start laying the eggs. Okay, so during this time, Anida decided to start the beekeeping. Okay, so you can't just grow the honeybees anywhere else. Okay, in wild or in nature you must have seen the beehive that hangs on the, or that is in the branches of trees. This we have to keep in a place where we can collect the honey, isn't it? It should be in a place that is easily reachable. So for that we need boxes. Inside the boxes we will grow the honeybees. Okay, these boxes will be kept on the ground. Okay, so for keeping the bees she bought boxes. So it's inside the box that we are going to grow the honeybees. So Anida did not have money. So the money that she got by teaching the children, she used it for buying the things needed to start the apiculture or to start beekeeping. Only then she could become a beekeeper. So as she decided to be a beekeeper, she started buying the things necessary to grow the honeybees. So at first she got 5,000 rupees from the money that she got by teaching the children. By teaching the children she got 5,000 rupees. With that she bought 2 boxes. Okay, she bought 2 boxes. One of the box costed about how much? 2,000 rupees. Each box had a cost of 2,000 rupees. Okay, each of the box. So she bought 2 boxes. So the total will be 4,000 rupees she had already spent to buy 2 boxes to grow the honeybees. Okay, then after that she bought sugar so that she can make sugar syrup. Why does she need sugar syrup? It's because honeybees should feed on nectar. Other than that, we should also give the honeybees food, isn't it? There will be baby honeybees that are growing inside the boxes. They should get food all the time. So to feed the honeybees, she have to make sugar syrup. Sugar syrup means you are mixing sugar and water and making it to a liquid. That is sugar syrup. That we will give it to the honeybee so that it can eat instead of the nectar. Okay. Then she also bought, with the remaining money, she also bought medicines to clean the beehive. The beehive should be neat. Otherwise the honey that we get from the honeybees will not be good. Okay, it will be contaminated. At the same time, there can be other insects that comes into these boxes, isn't it? There can be other insects that will attack the honeybees or that will attack the wood from which these boxes are made. So we have to apply medicines on the beehive, or you have to clean the beehive thoroughly. Okay, so that there is hygiene. The beehive is clean always. For that she also bought medicines. Okay, to clean the beehive. That means to clean the boxes. Okay, So she bought these boxes, sugar and the medicines to clean beehive. All these she did just with rupees 5,000. Okay, so it was during October to December that she has done all this. Okay, and you know children, see these are the boxes that you see for keeping the bees. Okay, the pictures that are shown here is the boxes. Okay, boxes that is used to keep the bees. These are wooden boxes. See, and one of this box costed about 2,000 rupees. Okay, and for buying 2 boxes she must have spent 4,000 rupees. Okay, and inside that there will be frames like that. We will be keeping it inside these boxes. In that the honey bees will grow. Okay, and you know, by September many honey bees started to come. Okay, then what happened? She had to buy 2 more boxes. So likewise by December she had 4 boxes. Okay, by December how many boxes like this she had? 4 boxes. And by February she had about 20 boxes. Okay, 20 boxes like this she had by February, because it is during the February season that the lychee trees flower, isn't it? I told you. Okay, and she was still learning to keep the bees. Okay, how she should start or grow the bees. You all know sometimes the bees, did you see over here? It has a sting at its back, isn't it? Sting is a pointed structure in a honeybee's body. It will sting us using the sting, and it is very painful, and sometimes her hands and face all got swollen because the honeybees has used to sting her. Okay, and then what she did, she started growing honeybees and she had 20 boxes by the time of February. Okay, and you all know children, she at first made 12 kilograms of honey. 12 kilograms of honey. 12 kilograms of honey, that was her first honey that she got from the honeybees. Okay, this much honey she got for the very first time when she kept the honeybees. Okay, and you all know children, when she was going to her college, her mother used to take care of the honeybees. Okay, and it was her mother and father who used to take care of the honeybees. Her mother used to give the sugar syrup or to keep the sugar syrup in the beehive, and the father used to collect the honey. Okay, father will look after the bees and take honey from the boxes, and mother will do the housework and also help to feed the honeybees. And do you know children how Anida used to go? Now she is in college. So her college is about 5 kilometers away from her home. So she used to go to college using a bicycle. You all learned in the chapter going to school, isn't it? Some of the children used to go in groups by riding a bicycle. So I hope this much is understood. So children, we'll just revise it once again. So Hanida became a beekeeper by doing a beekeeping course. Okay, bees are kept in boxes like this. Okay, and place children, place where you see these boxes, such a place we call it as an apiary. Okay, so she did the beekeeping course, she bought boxes in which she started growing the honeybees. Okay, and honeybees are attracted to the lychee flowers, and lychee flowers during the February season. During February it used to produce flowers, and the honeybees are attracted to lychee flowers. And honeybees lay eggs during October to December. Okay, so I hope children these portions are clear to you. Okay, so children, in your textbook, read pages 41 to 43. That's what we discussed in the chapter today. So, thank you children.